check it out. I'm going to do a comparison of a 1972 Hummingbird with a 60s Kent acoustic. This thing sounds amazing, right? All right, now let's try the Kent. Old guitar, old wood on both of them, right? This thing is like a Canon, and but it doesn't have the bass. It has the mids. These are pretty cool, though, right? The look is there too. $450 for this, $2,400 for the Gibson. So whatever in your price range you might want to go for, but they're both beautiful, and they're both old and beautiful sounding.